Object pronouns in French set to the box by Roddy Ricch, inspired by and dedicated to Sarah A. E-on, 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 E-on. Look all around, all these pronouns, direct, indirect, e and on, people, things, de phrases, to, for, person, all places. With object pronouns, don't get lazy. Madame's known French pronouns since the 80s. One verb in front, two verbs in between. Passé composé with do must agree. Me, te, le, la, nous, vous, les. Me, te, le, oui, nous, vous, l'air, hey, hey. E-on, 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 E-on. Direct object pronouns, indirect object pronouns, e and on are put in this order into sentences. With one verb, they're placed in front. With two verbs working together, they split the two verbs. And with the passé composé, they're put in front, but if there's a direct object pronoun, you must agree in number and gender with the direct object.